Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you my skincare routine. So the first thing I'll do is actually to use the cleanser to wash my face. So this is my face with no makeup but just the sunscreen. So yeah, as per usual, just put like a 20 cent amount for the cleanser one, and then just spread it out. So you just keep adding water and then form the bubbles. But remember to make sure that when you start lathering, you are using very light weight. Do not put any pressure to the bubbles, or else the bubbles will not have any. You are not able to form any bubbles. It takes some practice for this to lather these bubbles. But having good forming of these bubbles will help you to cleanse your face much better. Remember to always like scoop up the ones that drip off from the back of your hand and just continue lathering. So how do you actually tell if the cleanser is ready to be placed on your face? Is that it's like beating a bit white. When you flip, it does not drip. So yeah, but for me, I like to have enough foam on my face, so usually I just it up enough to cover my whole face. Okay, so this is how my bubbles looks like. So it should not flow off from your hand. So you just take a bit and then just put it on your face, and then you stop. Especially your nose area, remember to rub against to clear out all the black and white heads. Cleansing is one of the most important part of your skincare, because if you don't clean out all your junk from your face, it's not gonna let your skin absorb all the skincare products well, and you just layer up bit by bit. It's okay. So after you're done, remember not to use your towel, because towels sometimes you reuse them every day and there's a lot of bacteria. Remember to use tissue and just dry. Oops. There is a golden rule. Remember to put your skincare within the 5 minutes after you wash up. So yep, this is my cleansing routine, and I will just show you guys on the next video on my skincare, on how I put it on.